go. Starting off CNC break number 5180. I forgot what number it was. Damn it. 5184. Half case of Ultimate. Hopefully this is the better of the two halves. Horvat time. It's Horvat time. All right. We start off for the Vancouver Canucks, number 299, Ryan Miller. Ryan Miller to 299. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, number 299, rookie autograph, Andrei Vasilevsky. Tampa Bay Lightning, Andrei Vasilevsky. We've got number 10 of 25, three-color Ultimate Rookies auto patch for the Philadelphia Flyers, Shane Gostisbehere. And it is three colors. It might be hard to see, but that is a three-color patch. One of the last teams taken. Good job, Giovanni. I believe you took them. We've got for the Maple Leafs, numbered 1 of 25 patch, or retro patch, James Van Riemsdyk. We've got the Chicago Blackhawks, rare materials, triple jersey, number 99, Jonathan Toews. Johnny T. And we've got for the Tampa Bay Lightning, number 150, Steven Stamkos. All good, Smash? All right, pack number 2. We've got for the Capitals, number 299, Alex Ovechkin. Alex Ovechkin. We've got number 299, rookie autograph for the Anaheim Ducks, William Karlsson. We've got numbered 53 of 99 rookie autograph for the Calgary Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. Johnny Gaudreau, number 299. Last spot mojo, I guess we can say. That's epic. That is epic. We've got, for the Tampa Bay Lightning, a three-color Ultimate Debut Threads patch, Vladislav Nemensnikov. We've got a quad jersey for the Rangers and the... no, it's not Islanders. Yeah, quad jersey for the Rangers of Kreider, Zuccarello, St. Louis, and Nash. Quad Rangers. And for the Avalanche, number 150 retro base, Jerome Ginla. They only allowed to 35. Is nobody higher than 35 on Calgary? We've got number 299 for the San Jose Sharks, Joe Pavelski. Joe Pavelski. We've got for the New Jersey Devils, number /299, Damon Severson. Ultimate Rookie Auto. New Jersey has been on an absolute tear recently. Wow. We've got Ultimate Signatures for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. Ultimate Signatures, Mario Lemieux. We've got for the Carolina Hurricanes, Ultimate Debut Threads Patch, number /100, Victor Rask. Victor Rask. We've got for the Carolina Hurricanes, quad jersey of Stahl, Skinner, Semin, and Lindholm. New Jersey definitely did not go hitless in the last break. I can tell you that. And for the Penguins, number /199, Ultimate Base of Mario Lemieux. All right. We need the big mem. We need the big mem. That's your second in 2 weeks. 3 weeks. Well, good for you. For the Buffalo Sabres, number /299, Cody Hodgson. For the Arizona Coyotes, I called it, number /299, rookie autograph, Justin Hodgman. I knew Arizona for $15 was going to be an okay deal. You love CNC. Well, whoever's got this team is going to love me too. We've got numbered 13/25. Obsidian Script Patch Autograph for the Montreal Canadiens, Alex Galchenyuk. Obsidian Script, Alex Galchenyuk. That's filthy. We've got for the Oilers, number 25/25, patch of Jordan Eberle. 25/25 patch, Jordan Eberle. We've got for the Winnipeg Jets a triple jersey number /99, Evander Kane. Evander Kane, and a base number /150 of Henrik Lundqvist. See, now this is what Ultimate's supposed to be like. A Gaudreau, a disgusting Galchenyuk, a Mario Lemieux autograph. This is what Ultimate's supposed to be like. And at this price point, that's not bad what's delivering right now. Hopefully, we continue. We got for the Maple Leafs, number /299, Jonathan Bernier. Jonathan Bernier. We've got for the New Jersey Devils, number /299, rookie autograph, Seth Helgeson. Seth Helgeson. We've got for the Buffalo Sabres, Obsidian Scripts of Sam Reinhart. Sam Reinhart, Obsidian Script. We've got a Ultimate Materials 3-color patch, number 10/10 for the Buffalo Sabres, Zemgus Gurgensons. Ultimate Materials, Zemgus Girgensons, 10 of 10. We've got for the Anaheim Ducks, number to 99, Rare Materials Triple Jersey, John Gibson. And we finish off for the Montreal Canadiens, number to 150, PK Subban.